What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Man, did something crazy happen to me today. I was expecting an order from Target, and a lot of these times FedEx and UPS, they like rebox your product because either the box falls apart or just comes apart, or for whatever reason they have to rebox it. So I get this huge box, and I'm looking at it like, the hell did I order, right? So I look, and like the tag's cut out and it's stuck on the box, and there's a box inside a box. So come check out what's in this box. Okay, so we're gonna open this box up. Let's see what the hell's in here. Of course, I had to take that off to protect. All right. Let me see. What the hell? What the hell is this? Looks like they're reusable cloth face masks. What the hell? There must be, how many? 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. There must be 1,000 face masks here. Holy crap. Target messed up big, boy. I don't know where the hell these came from. We didn't order any face masks, that's for sure. Never mind, almost 1,000 of them. And they're washable, cloth-like face masks. Damn. Okay. So somebody messed up big time. I don't know if this was Target's fault, or most likely it was probably UPS's fault. That's crazy. That never happens. I've never actually received a crazy amount of merchandise that I wasn't supposed to get. I guess the question is what to do with them. Donate them? Resell them? Keep them in case of the apocalypse? Let me know below. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with them. Yeah. Just wanted to share this video with you guys. Mistakes do happen. Sometimes they happen not in your favor. This happened in my favor. So, 1,000 face masks, that's crazy. Like maybe like a 1-pack, 2 packs. There's gotta be 800 to 1,000 face masks in there. That's nuts. Well, anyways, signing off. Just a day in the life. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next hustle.